Hello guys, welcome to today's analysis with DC.
Hello guys, welcome to this.
Let's just wait for more people to join. Let me take this moment to share this stream to our various social media platforms so that more people can join us. So I'd just like to welcome you guys to this live analysis. Okay, let me just share quickly with my groups. So today I want to teach you how you can get an entry when you're using smart money concept. How do you trade using order blocks? What is the best entry technique that you can make use of when you're using smart money concept? And we have a very good example. That I just want to illustrate this good entry. I'm really motivated with the feedback that I'm receiving. A lot of you guys are sending feedback on the importance of this live, how they are transforming how you trade and how you see the market, which is giving me more strength to keep on coming here each and every day. So thank you so much. But today we have something amazing. I've seen that, okay, with the live that I normally do when I'm using my laptop, we normally reach maybe 200 views during that live. In these lives, we are reaching somewhere around 1,000 views during the lives, which is amazing. But today we want to do something amazing. We want to get at least 1,000, let's just say at least 500 likes. So today our goal is to make sure that you like, even if you're not going to comment, but make sure you like this stream. So let's quickly look at how we can trade using order blocks. Let me just share this with my groups. Let me just quickly share. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not doing it on the phone, I'm doing it on my PC. I want more people to join and benefit from this amazing live streams. If you're watching us for the first time, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment where you're watching us from. FX Black Truth, hi. He's saying hi. Let me go through the charts as we are waiting for more people to join. Same Yings, good morning boss, welcome to you to this live. Same from Nigeria, thank you Mr. Same. Mr. Black Truth, he's saying hi. Mr. Joseph, good morning say Black Truth. News Trade, how are you Miss News Trade? Good morning DC. Pastor Kele, Black Truth is saying FX Forex, good morning. The jump yesterday didn't go well. Yes, I'll explain what happened in that jump. Mr. Joseph, let's go. Your jump 50 analysis yesterday went wrong. Yes, but let's start from there on that jump and what I then discovered. Let me come to my group. Where is this one? Those who are following me, we made an update on that signal. Our SA was hit, it was jump 50. Yes, so this is very common for those that trade breakouts. I'm going to explain what happened. But if you follow me on WhatsApp, I think you're going to be smiling now because I didn't notice something. So what happened is this. There was a breakout from the flag pattern, and then price immediately reversed and closed within the trend line. So I noticed that this was a fake out. This is very common. So we then took the signal for the fake out. This was a fake out, and I explained in this message. I said our SA was hit, price retraced and closed within the flag pattern. The breakout was just a fake out. On H1, we can see price is making a breakout on the purple trend line. So we noticed that there was a trend line. And price closed above the trend line. And we were able to buy from that breakout candle. I think today in our VIP group, I shared the results. So this is what happened. This is volatility 50, and after that we can see volatility 50 was able to buy. So this is on H1, and today we are in profit. So this is very common. You'll see when you're trading breakouts, there will be moments that you'll be caught in fake outs. These are fake outs. So this is very common, but you must know what to do. So this signal, the buy signal that we took after the fake out, was going to help us to recover the loss that we made when we took that, when our SA was hit. So this is then what then happened. So I think I've explained that part. That breakout was just a mere fake out. So let's quickly go to today's business. Okay, I want to explain the best entry technique that you can make use of when you're trading using order blocks. So let me just quickly go to this analysis that is more clearer. So what you can see, this one is more clear. We can see we had the last, let me take that thing to Tebe Selema is saying, good morning, how are you? Say, okay, let me just do this. Where are the tools to do this? I'm going, where I'm going is not the right place. Where do we have the tools? Yes, this one, we want the brushes. And we'll come back here. Okay, let me just do this. I want to explain what we have here. Where is the brush? Okay, the brush is here. So what we can see here is this. The last bullish candle, I know that this is going to be a little bit small. The last bullish candle is the price was moving up, and then there was a massive drop. And this drop did not only happen, it's just that here we don't have enough information, but it resulted in the break of a structure's price was dropping, making this low. So here we had a break of structure. So that means we have all the conditions. One, this is the last candle, the last bullish candle before the price dropped, and there was a massive drop as price was moving away from this particular area, indicating that this was an institutional reference point. There were large players that were in play to cause this big movement. This is on a 30-minute time frame, and after that we can see immediately after our order block, there is a fair value gap. We can see this imbalance, the liquidity void that we have in this particular area, and here there was a breakout. So once that happens, you want to wait, and we can see the reason why price was able to push up, it was because there was liquidity residing above these equal highs, and price was able to grab that liquidity, and then it came back. I think it was yesterday, it came back to this area, and then there was a drop. Once this drop took place, we can see clearly that here there was a break of structure as price was moving upwards, but the previous high low, there was a candle that closed below that previous high low, indicating that this was indicating that at this particular area here, this is indicating that there was now a shift in market structure, a change of character here. Change of character. Then price pushed up, then came down. Above these equal lows, there was also liquidity. And we had also, again, the same criteria. We had an order block. What I'm trying to say is this. Once you've identified an order block, be it on H1, you need to wait for price to return to that particular area. The first thing that you need to wait for is a change of character, which we have here. And if price leaves an order block, you make a good entry at this particular area here. So this is the trade that we have. I've shared this with my group. So if you can, I've shared this. This is what I'm trying to say here. This is the best way to trade order blocks, where you reduce your stop loss. So the stop loss is gonna be now on the small, although I've put it just above the original fair value, first order block. But if you look at it, the best way to place the SA was just above this recent order block that has been created. What is this telling us? The change of character and the break of structure. Price is now ready to what? To move downwards. Let's quickly go to the charts and see if this in play. Okay, we can see we entered around this area and price is now moving downwards. So this is what I'm trying to say here. I knew that if I was going to come here, you're not going to see it. But the one thing that we couldn't see was the fact that here, as price was moving down, there was a big drop. There was a break of structure as price continued to move downwards. So this is indicating to us that there is a continuation of the bearish movement in VIX 25. So with the break of structure, as price did this. So the reason why most of the order blocks do not work, it is because they don't follow the criteria that validates a valid order block. One, you want to see a massive drop. These are the things that you must follow. You must, let me just do this. You want to see from that particular area, there must be a massive drop. Price must move quickly away from that area. So that's the first criteria. Then there, the last bullish candle, which is this one, is the one that you mark. And when you're marking, according to ICT, it says if the wicks are smaller, you only mark the body where the price is closed. So you mark the body of that candle. So that's the second part. Then you must wait for a break of structure. Here we had a break of structure. In this particular area with the BOS, this is one thing that you're waiting for. So that's another criteria. Then if you look closely, here we had what? We had a liquidity void. Those areas, those gaps, or a fair value gap, those areas, price will always come to fill up that area. And what we see after that, price moved up and then it closed that gap the first time. Then there was a massive drop as price was dropping from this particular order block here, this particular area, and then price pushed up. Here we had equal highs, so price was supposed to take out the liquidity that was above here. And then now, if you look closely now, as price gave us a change of character here, or a market structure shift, MSS, price then dropped and gave us a break of structure at this area. So here we have a BOS. This is the perfect entry technique that you can have when you're trading using order blocks. If you can do this and master this, that when price returns to an order block, wait for a change of character. When the change of character takes place, wait for price to return to an order block. Once that takes place, you know that you're ready to go and you can be in a massive profit. And your stop loss, you just place it just above the what? Okay, our stop loss was supposed to be placed just above this previous high where we had this order block just above here, and you ride the market down. So we are targeting currently for price to drop until it reaches this particular area here. And if you look generally, we are also going with our bias, our long-term bias. So this is where we are targeting the previous low. Price should drop. If there's going to be a continuation of the downtrend, you can see price is bearish. We can see a series of high highs, high lows, high highs. No, we can see a series of lower lows, lower highs as price is dropping downwards. So the fact that price has failed to break above or to close above the previous lower high, it's indicating that there's continuation of the bearish trend. Price is down, is moving down. So this is one important thing that I really wanted to share with you in today's live. I don't want to make this live very long, but basically this is the most important thing that I want to share with you guys today. How you can enter a trade using order blocks and waiting for a change of character, return to an order block, or return to a fair value gap, and then you can execute your trade. I hope this information that I've shared, guys, today's target, we are having at least 26 people who are currently watching. Please, you're not going to lose anything, but it means a lot to me if you can just take this time to make sure you like this stream. Let's like our target for today. We want to reach at least 500 likes. So if you're watching us, please make sure you like. Before we go to the next step, let's have a lot of likes. Let's have a lot of likes. You don't lose anything, but to me it means a lot. Michael is saying thank you, brother. Tindai Chakombera is saying Super Lee. I don't know what you're saying. Oh, you're talking to Mr. Lee. Good morning, brother. Mr. Lee, how are you? Lydia Murunga. Good morning. Thanks, Choku. How are you? Following and learning. That's marvelous. Thank you, Lydia. I think Lydia is from Zimbabwe. Lydia, where are you from? Mr. Lee, where are you watching us from? Please just tell us where you're watching us from. It motivates me to know that we're getting views from different parts of the world. Africa, Michael Gabreka, hi, say Africa from India. Oh, you're watching us. You're an African who's watching from India. That's amazing, Mr. Michael Gabreka. Then, hi, I'm from Singapore. Wow, that's marvelous. Who is this? Anna. How do I pronounce your name? I can't pronounce it. And the name I can't even pronounce. I can't pronounce your name. All the way from China. Lee is from China. Wow. So we are getting views from all over the world. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. Connected. Kosi Zulu. I think Mr. Zulu is from South Africa. I'm just assuming. Hello, Choku. I'm from Kenya. Murunga. Yeah, it looks like it sounds like Zimbabwean. I don't know. Lydia is from Kenya already. Talked on WhatsApp. That's amazing. To be. What are you trading? We're currently looking at Volatility 25. And we are selling. So you can actually sell, but the entry is not that good. But it's fine. There's two times. So these are the values. We're selling Volatility 25. Our SO is 20,000. Is it 20,000? 2004. And the TP is 1,957. So basically, this is what we are looking at. We are currently looking at volatility. Please, let's like this stream. We're having at least 45 people. Just take time, guys, to like this stream. Just take time to like. Let's have more likes. Your strategies are just too helpful. I'm watching from Nigeria. I'm one of your die-hard followers. Thank you so much, Mr. Michael. Thank you for your support. It gives me wings to keep on flying. Hello, boss. Lackman Adebayo is saying I'm from Nigeria. Thank you, guys, from 2B. I'm from Houston. Wow, that's amazing. Whoa. So we're getting views from all over the world. This is amazing. Yo, I've been working out on, On Sunday, we are having a final. Our team is playing. I only need to play maybe the last 10 minutes. This is amazing. So our team is playing Eastern Social League tournament. We are playing against Hansa. Hansa is a team that is doing very well. I think in our league, it's leading the league. I think they've never lost. They're playing very well. So our team is Tennis FC. If you are in SA and you live around around Gauteng, you can also be part of this amazing event. We're playing the finals. Our team is playing in the finals. Tennis FC is my team. So the kickoff, we'll be playing at Dinero Grounds, Atlas Bonero Park at 3 o'clock GMT time. So guys, this is going to be amazing. If I find time, I'll try to stream this match. Tennis is, everyone, they look down upon tennis, but I'm telling you, tennis will win this thing. They're going to win this amazing thing. Okay, let's have more likes. We're only having 10 likes, guys. Let's have more likes. Let's have more likes. Let's have more likes. Erin is from South Africa. Thank you so much. How are the election results going, guys? Who's winning? What is taking place? But I haven't been following the results and what is taking place. But there's one thing that I know: the ruling party, especially in Africa, the politics is somehow similar. Somehow similar. The ruling party, they rarely lose. They will make sure that they win. So whatever that is taking place, I heard that the DA is doing well, and also Malema, EFF, and MK, Zuma's MK is also doing well. But eventually, I'm telling you, ANC, I'm not following, will just win. They will make sure that they win this election. So that's my take. Beating the ruling party, it's not something that is easy. It's not like I support ANC, but I'm just giving you. Tendai Chakumbe, I'm watching you from Randburg. Yeah, Mr. Tendai, you're very close. I live here in Kempton Park. Kempton Park at OR Tambo. Very close to OR Tambo. That's where I stay. So I know ANC eventually will win these elections. I'm telling you now, I'm not even following what is taking place. But on social media, they were saying DA is doing well, what is doing well. But enough with us. Let's go to the next asset. Okay, but before we go to the next asset, today is the 31st, and today is the last day, guys, for you to what? To get this amazing offer. We have this amazing offer that we have in this group. If you're someone who enjoy trading spikes, let's start with our VIP services. We have the following: for 1 week it's $10, for 2 weeks it's 18, 1 month it's $30, and we focus on booming crash, volatility, step index, jump indices, and we give signals using price action, smart money concept, scalping, and spike signals. Those are the signals that we give. So we give signals on this particular asset. We have our VIP group, and these are the prices. Then we also have our copy trading services. So with the copy trading services, you only need to pay a subscription fee of 50. Then the minimum equity is 150. Then it's advised that you work with VPS. Why? Because sometimes if you're not online, if your laptop is not switched on, you might miss some signals. Then we have our 2 weeks profit target of $300. We don't share profit. You take your profit. Guys, I need your suggestion. I'm still waiting for people to give me a suggestion. We need to start. I had promised that we should start in May, where we're looking at profit sharing in account management. So copy trading is more like account management, but we want to start with $50. We raise that $50. Once we reach 500, or maybe we can say 250, we share the profit equally. So my major concern is this: I've been looking at ways how I can do this. I'll be trading your account, you don't pay anything, we share profit 50%, 50%. But my major worry was this: after we have made profit, there's a great likelihood that you can just change the password and do everything, then you run away with the profit. How best? That's my question. How best? I need suggestions. How best can we do this account management where you don't pay a weekly subscription, but we are focusing on profit sharing? And I would want to start probably with $50 as the minimum equity, or maybe 25. We'll see. How best do you think is the best approach when it comes to you? How best do you think is the best way to do this? Please take time to like this stream. Like. Make sure you like. We need at least 100 likes. I can see 500 is is a far-fetched idea. Okay, let's just go to 100. Let's start with 100. We are now on 13 likes, and we're having 25 people watching. Please like. As we are waiting for the suggestion on how we can do this account management. Who is the candidate for ANC? It's Mr. Ramaphosa, I think so. Ramaphosa, the previous president, I think he's the leader for ANC. Let's get to 100 streams, guys. Yes. I want to do this every day, but it all works with your response. But Currently, what we can see is this has been an amazing journey. Then we have our booming crash spike detector, and today is the last day for this promotion. You can rent it for $25 a month, but if you want to purchase this spike detector, it's $50 only for today. After today, the promotion is over. We are trying to push and get more people to have this spike detector so that we can have a feedback from these people. This can actually motivate more people to what, to buy this spike detector. So when you purchased, there is a group that we have specifically made for the buyers so that they can interact, give us feedback, and share how this spike detector is working for them. We have a group. Where is this group now? This one. So this is the group. People share their experience when it comes to what, to how they are using these spike detectors. So this is the group. When you purchase, make sure you join this group and share your feedback. What do they call it? Basically your feedback in that particular group, so that we can hear what you think about that spike detector. You can see price is just dropping. But we entered here around this order block. When price reached here, this is where we entered, and price is just moving downwards. Okay, so there was something that I also wanted to talk about. There's something that I also wanted to talk about. I've been preaching about this entry technique, and how you can trade breakouts so that you avoid fake outs. And I think this is working very well. For me, I think this is working very well. I think there was this asset. Let me quickly go to my laptop and I'll share this with my on the this what you call it. What is it? Jump. What was this asset? Jump 50. No, it's not jump 50. I only noticed it today that this is what took place. Which asset was it? Which asset was it? Okay, it's Volatility 251S. So if you are someone who enjoy trading these chart patterns and these come on, why did I do that? I want to show you something that has been working. I think, okay, yeah, this is the thing. We did it in VIX 75 and it was a huge success. And so in most cases, when price breaks out from a channel, people normally take the buy. So there are different entries that people can make. So at this breakout candle, someone can just buy, put his stop loss just below here. You can see the stop loss was going to be taken out when price retraced. Some people would say I would wait for a retest, but what I've seen, this is becoming very common. So what I'm teaching you guys is something that I'm actually observing from the market. It's not something that I was reading or I watched on YouTube or what. No, I've noticed that in most cases when price makes a breakout, there tends to be a consolidation that takes place around the breakout, like what happened here. So how then do you enter this trade? I've discovered that if you can make this entry, you draw your trend line, you pick the two picks. This is the first pick, this is the second pick, and you draw your trend line. What are you waiting for? You're waiting for price to make a breakout. So there are two ways. After the breakout, draw your trend line to mark out the highs of the consolidation, and then you place your stop loss just above, just below your the breakout candle. Like here, our stop loss was going to be here because this was the candle. This is the candle that resulted in the breakout. So this is the candle. So your stop loss is here. You see, when price even tried to retrace, it didn't come around this area. Then you just hold that trade. Instead of you just waiting for price to break out from the chart patterns, wait. If price consolidate after breaking out, you need to wait for the price to to move away from that consolidation. You're going to get a smooth buy as price moves upwards. So I can say this is what I've discovered. I saw this in VIX 75 and VIX 75. When was this? Some time back, I remember. Okay, but the VIX 75 signal is in profit. If you remember, there was an order block on H4 and we said we're going to take a buy yesterday. I think those who were watching are in profit. And there was a guy who contacted me and saying he was very happy that every day when we go live and we do these lives and analysis and what, he's been profitable and he's started to make profit and he's learning a lot. What I've discovered is this. You know why Forex is difficult? People hold information. People hold information. They're not in a position to share what they've discovered. It's very, very difficult. It's very rare where you get people sharing that, okay, this is what I've discovered. This thing can actually work in doing this. You rarely see people sharing information like what I'm doing on this channel. This is rare. So we discovered that there was an order block and we're going to buy. I think we gave this signal again in our VIP community. I think it was yesterday or a day before yesterday. When was it? When we talked about VIX 75. I don't know why is it there's this dark line. Yo. Where is this? Okay, this was the signal. Okay, these were the results. This was the result. Okay, this was the signal. So this is the signal that we gave, I think, some time back. When was it? Yesterday. And we are in profit. But I think those who have been following me, when it comes to breakouts and consolidation and trying to draw a trend line and waiting for the break of the trend line, I've been preaching and talking about this over and over. This guy, I'm telling you, it really works. Yes, today, thank you so much for those who are liking and giving us the like. This motivates me to keep on going. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. Let me go through the comments and check what people are saying. Okay, Richard is saying we'll do a hedge fund, $25 per person for like 15 people. You manage the account, come out with a target, and we share all the profits in a month. I think this can work. This can work. Let's do a pool account where everybody contributes a certain amount that will bring it to an amount we agree on. Okay, Pastor Akila is also saying the same thing. God knows KC Vela is saying, what if you get up to 10 persons with 10 people with $10, which gives an equity of $100? You could trade it to 2,000 profit. You take 500 and share 15 each among the subscribers. Which option? With options of renewal. I think this can actually work. Can actually work. So tomorrow, I think, is the first day on of the month, which is the 1st of June. How is the weather where you're watching us from, guys? How is the weather there? Yeah, it's a little bit. Yes, it's a little bit cold, but we're still having the sun. Yeah, the weather yesterday it was a little bit cold, but here in South Africa, I've lived a great part of my life in Zimbabwe. It was my first time coming to South Africa, and I saw that when it's June, when it's cold, you see it's not like snow, but early in the morning you see that there will be ice. There will be ice. Sometimes it gets very cold here in South Africa. Joseph says it's cold here. Even here, it's raining heavy. I think that's in, God knows, where are you watching us from? Is it from Nigeria? Darren is saying, how do I join the group? Okay, the VIP group or the We have a free group and we have our VIP group where we share setups each and every day. So the VIP group, you need to pay $10 a week, $18 for 2 weeks, and $30 for a month. Then we have a free group where I share updates and sometimes I share analysis. You are free to join. The links are there in the description. So here it's overcast. It should be getting warmer. China weather is uncertain. Okay, Lee is in China. I wish one day to go to China. It's one of my yeah, very soon, maybe next year I'll go to China for business. Obviously, I'm always looking for business opportunity, but I've heard that there are cheaper things in China. So I really want to go there and see for myself what are the opportunities that are there. I really want to. Another side I saw that I do. I work with laptops. I buy and sell laptops. So I think to expand this business, and we are looking forward to open a branch in Zimbabwe, and also here in South Africa. I need to really go and see what is taking place in China. The prices, they're very cheap. So I think that's one reason why I should come there. Maybe when I visit China, I'll get in touch with you, Mr. Lee. Samuel is saying some pool amount. So everyone is talking about the pool funding. Yes. Okay, I think that's a wonderful idea. So let's say we would take but $10 is very small. Maybe $20 will make sense. Then we have at least $200. If we take 10 people, then we'll see how this can quickly grow until we reach our target. So our target will be what? I need to sit down and do the logistics today. I think what you're saying, guys, makes sense because of the issue of someone giving you the login details. The person can just simply run away with the funds. So let's see how we can do this. I think on the first tomorrow, I will give you an update. I think for tomorrow, it will be our last live streaming for the week. Then we call it a day. Let's take 100 people. 100 people and it's $20 each. 100, it's a lot. It's not easy to gather 100 people to pay those $20. I don't know. Maybe I'm underestimating what can take place. It'll be good. So someone is saying $10 and there are 100. Then we get 1,000. Yeah, it can work like that. I'll sit down and think how best we can do this. Okay, let's just check quickly what is taking place in volatility. Volatility 25, we're on 30 minutes. Yes, the candles are bearish. There's one thing that I wanted to share with you guys. Let's go on VIX 25 and see something. I think this is the last thing that I'm gonna share today. I wanted to draw this. Am I gonna be able to draw it? So the first thing that you need to establish is that are you in a downtrend or you're in an uptrend? Where exactly is the market moving? How is the price moving? So we can see here in VIX 75, we can roughly say that price is bullish because of the break that took place on the trend line, and also the fact that prices managed to close above this level. Maybe I can use this thing to draw. Do they have straight lines here? There's nothing. I need a straight line, something I can draw a straight line. Oh, come on. These are the only lines that are there. It's fine. So we can see the previous high. The drawings are not nice. Let me see here. Is there a way to play around with the... Okay, we can see this previous lower high was taken out when the candle closed above here, and also here we had a break of structure. This is indicating that we're in an uptrend. I think we discussed this previously, and price dropped, came back to make a retest around this area, and then price then pushed upwards. So I want to talk about Okay, let's just assume that the price, I want to take it from this example. In most cases, when a candle is being opened, when we have a candle that is open, we have our open price. Let me use lines. We have our open line here. This is the open price for the day. And our overall trend, the bias is what? Is bearish. Price is coming down. If you see a candle moving up with today's candle, this is the candle, it moves up like this. This will be an opportunity for you to what? To sell. Because in most cases, the price will then move down and it will leave a wick on top here. Something like this. So during the open price will be like this. In most cases, you would see that price, okay, we have the open price is manipulated up and then it's distributed down and it closes like this. So we want to take advantage of the fact that we know the overall trend. So this is the open and high. What do you call it? The open high and what? Open high, what? You know, there are different ways of representing charts. Okay, this is, let me just quickly show you what I'm trying to say. So we have the candlestick chart, then we have the bar chart. So with the bar chart, it looks something like this. And I'm talking about this candle. The candle in question is this one. It's very easy. At first, when I was learning how to trade, I didn't understand what is this trying to say. So you see, in most cases, the open price is on your left. That's what I'm trying to draw and trying to explain how we can take advantage of what will be taking place in the market. So here we have this particular area. We have the open price is on your left. Then in most cases, you see price being manipulated to move up. This is where we're supposed to be looking for a selling opportunity. And then price will then drop. It will drop and then it will move like this. So at the end, this candle was supposed to be something like this. We have a wick on top and a wick at the bottom. But when we look at the bar chart, this is the bar chart, it will be represented like this. So in most cases, when an opening candle for a bearish trend, you will see that price will move up without a wick at the bottom. But you know that when price is moving up, it's just trying to create the upper wick. Once that wick is created, you'll see that price will then drop and create and close below this level. So how do we take advantage of this? How can we take advantage of what I'm saying here? Okay, in VIX 75, this is the same thing that has happened. We know that price is pushing upwards. And what happened in today's candle? We can see at this particular area, there was a time when price dropped. There was a time when price dropped just to create the bottom wick here. It dropped. Opening was here and then, okay, let me just make it. I'm trying to enlarge what happened in today's candle. We had an open price dropped to create the wick, and then price started to push up like this. So we should be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, let me just go back to our, I know that what I'm saying, I hope you guys can understand it. It's there in my mind, but what I'm trying to say, I'm not getting there. I can feel it that I'm not explaining it in a way that is easy to understand. Okay, let's go to the H4. So I think for today, these were the two candles. Okay, let's go to the daily. This is our daily candle. Let me put a separator. I can easily put a period separator here. So period separator, this one. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame. H1. Our period separator is here. So let's look at what took place in VIX 75 today. Let's go on the 50-minute time frame. This is now confusing me, but the line is there. So today's candle, when it was opened, let's go on the hourly. There was a period when price was dropping. It dropped and then it pushed upwards. $50-minute time frame. So I'm looking at, if we're going to implement that strategy, that price, first of all, it will drop. Then you would want to see, what you'd want to see is this. Although here in VIX 75, this didn't take place. This didn't take place. Let's go to another market, a popular market, VIX 100. Okay, let's go on the H4. Okay. Now we need to check the trend. The trend is bearish, but for the past these past days, price was moving down. So this one becomes tricky. We need where we have a clear directional bias. Here price was moving up, dropped and started to move down. Let's go on H1. I'm coming back to VIX 25 one. And here what is taking place? For some days, yeah, it's not clear. Let's go even to boom and crash. Let's go on H daily. Okay, this one is very easy. This one is very easy. We can see price has been bullish in boom month, crash 1000 for some time. Even boom 1000. Let me check. I'm trying to look for a practice that clearly thousand. I think this is clear. Crash 1000. Okay. I think here can get a proper good explanation here. Okay, we can see, let's look at the previous day's candles. Okay, this was yesterday. Yes, yeah. So we know that price was bearish, was bullish. Price is moving up. And yesterday, oh, this is not correct. You know, things will be there in your mind, but to put it out there so that people can understand can be a big challenge. This is yesterday. Okay, guys, I need to sit down and share with you. I'm looking for an example. Now it's consuming time. Okay. I want to look for an example, a practical example. So how do we get an entry? Knowing that price eventually has to move up. Okay. You wait for price. Okay. Maybe this can actually work. The price dropped here. So you wait first for price to give you this. Here with the change of character. Let me just use this one so that it's fast. We had a break of structure here, indicating that there's continuation of the price. Then when price moved upwards, here we can see we had a fair value gap. And this is the fair value gap that was used by price to move upwards. So that's the first thing. So wait, you know, your directional bias is what? Is bullish. Price is moving upwards. Wait for a break of structure, indicating that there's a continuation in that particular direction. Wait for price to drop down. Your entry is going to be a fair value gap or an order block. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Every day you do this. I'm telling you, if you can take this as a strategy. Okay, let's look at what happened here. The same thing happened here again. Break of structure, price dropped downwards, and when it dropped, it came back to this particular order block. This is the order block, and then you see price respected this order block and then pushed upwards. Let's see if this. So the first important thing is this: the price has to be trending, wait for price to drop down, wait for price to take out the previous day's high, this one. When that, okay, this one was for the whole day. Here it was going to be difficult. Our strategy was not going to work because for this particular day, price was just moving downwards. Let me go on M15. But I hope you get what I'm trying to say here. You know price is moving upwards. Wait for a break of structure. Come on. Let me go when the day starts. And we have our break of structure. M15. Here we can see price dropped. So that's the fixed drop that made the day's week. It created the low for the day, this one. And then price moved upwards. Moved upward, resulting in a break of structure. Then wait for price to drop and come back to an probably on this one. What was the date? 28. You can go on the 30-minute time frame. It was the 28th of May. Here, look for an entry. Here we had the what? You're waiting for price to drop to this particular area with an order block, and you can see this was the order block that was used. Then you buy. You see how easy it was to get this movement. So this can be a strategy that you can use. So what are the conditions for this strategy? Let me go to my, I think this will be the last thing that I will share with you guys. Go. Okay, so the first thing that you need is what? You need to identify a trend in market. So that means there's an uptrend, a clear trend. That is the what is happening now. Okay, let me remove these things. They're now disturbing me. Let me. You need to identify a trending market. You need to identify a trending market. So that means it's an uptrend or a downtrend. In our example, it was an uptrend. So in an uptrend, so this is an uptrend or a bullish trend. The first thing that you want to see is that price makes a break, gives you a break of structure. So that's the first thing. Price gives a break of structure. Then the next thing is that you'd want to see price should return to an order block. An order block or a fair value gap. Then you take your trade from that particular area. So you see, you identify the open for the day, and you know that the market is trending. It's a bullish trend. You wait for a break of structure. Wait for price to return to the order block. Then when that happens, you then take your buy. We are buying because the price is moving up. Then you buy from the order block or B or the fair value gap. So basically, this can be a strategy that you can master and use. So what I'm trying to teach you guys or to share with you guys is something that I've discovered in the markets. Try it. Sometimes when you're receiving information, you need to go to the markets. It's unfortunate that in derived synthetic indices, we are not able to test some of the strategies. That's the disadvantage of derived synthetic indices. But when it comes to gold and other indices, it's very, very possible to what happened to gold? To test some of these things so that you're not you know exactly if something works or something doesn't work. I just want to check on gold. Yesterday I did some analysis and I was explaining what is taking place in gold. Let me just quickly check here what happened here. There's a lot of consolidation. Let's go on the H1. Okay, there was a breakout from this and we're anticipating that price should drop and come down. And let's look at today's candle. So we are bearish in gold. We are bearish. So let's see if this is going to work. And what happened today? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. Wow, this is marvelous. I like this one. You see here where the breakout structure, the price is bearish. This is the breakout structure. The lines are not going to be straight. As price dropped downwards, then you wait for a return to an institutional reference point. Price returned. This was the pullback. And when price returned, what did price do? There was a fair value gap. You see, this is practical, guys. What I'm teaching you is something that you can use in all markets. You see, there was a fair value gap. And you can see clearly that price didn't um, play around. Once price hit the fair value gap, this fair value gap, looking at this one, we see this candle, the low of this candle and the high of this candle, they are not connected together. So there was a gap. Price returned to the gap and price is now just dropping downwards. You see, what I'm teaching you guys is something that is more practical. Then I just want to share with you guys, if you want to backtest your strategies, maybe you're trading forex pairs, you need to use go charting. If you go on TradeView, for you to backtest your strategies using you need to pay, because you can only make use of the replay mode if you are on the daily. But if you go to go charting, it's called gocharting.com, I think so, but I downloaded the app. Yes. So with this one, you have the replay mode. Wow, they want me to sign in again. I want to show you something. You can backtest your strategies using this go charting thing. Let's go charting thing. Okay. Do we have period separators today? Okay. We are bearish in gold. We talked about this. So what do we see here? I think today session, do they have the opportunity where you can set the trade separators and what? Yo. Where do I go? I don't normally use this thing, but let me time zones. No, go to it's about dates. How do you go to period separators? I think it's here. Ratio, last what, candle body. One period separators, presets. Okay, it's fine. I'll try to figure out where exactly did we have an opening. 6 p.m. Today's Friday. Okay. You guys, you figure out how you can put a period separator in this one. The mobile version is very difficult. But you click on this one. We want to backtest our strategy here. You see? When did we? 12 p.m. It's not going to work if you don't know when exactly are we supposed to start. Today is the 31st, 12 p.m. The dates are here. Let me just expand a little bit. Friday 6 p.m., 9 p.m., then Friday the 31st. So that means we should put a horizontal line. Oh, this thing is difficult to use. But it's more like TradeView. Our date. Okay, let's just put it here. Okay, so we are assuming that this is where we had our the day opened here. Come on, man. Yo. How do you now? Okay. I want to remove this. How do I? Yo. I wish it was a laptop. The mobile thing is very, very difficult to use. But the replay mode can actually explain what I'm trying to say. Okay, we started our day here, and then price here gave us a break of structure. Why are we having two lines? You double tap, If I want to delete, what do I do? Delete. Okay, it's fine. Delete. Double tap. Delete. Press. Then delete. Why is it? It's not deleting. It's fine. Let's just go to the main business. So we had this level. This was the previous day's low. And then price. Come on. Where is the white? It's the white color. We need to change the colors. Which color should I? Green. It's fine. Why is it? It's not changing again. Green. Okay. We have this line price. Here. It's very difficult to draw with a mobile. Yo. Okay. Yo. Okay, let me use both fingers. Okay, what I'm trying to say, guys, you understand. I'm failing to draw nicely here, and I'm wasting time now. Oh, come on. The replay mode. It's now a disaster. But what is important is this price returned to this fair value gap here and then started to drop. Why? Because the overall trend is bearish, and then basically that's what I'm trying to say. What I was writing there is what we saw happening in gold. I don't want to make this very long, guys. We had 18 likes. Let's just try to push and take it to 50, guys. We started with 500, but now we're back to. Mr. Joseph says, I first like before watching. Yeah, I think that's the most important thing. Before you start watching, you can just start with liking the videos. Mr. Joseph is also saying that VIX 75 is at a resistance now, H4, H1, M30, and M50. Yes, I think that's where exactly our target was on that particular area. Yeah, guys, let's like this live stream and have I'm done. Please just like, do you give signals? Yes, we give signals. We have a VIP group where I give signals. The links are not there in the description. The links for our groups are there. They are there. Just go on the description for this live and you can get these links. Poor account is the best. Yes, I'll sit down and check and try to figure out where exactly what exactly are we trying to do, and then we can work with that. I think that would definitely work. Then the links are there in the description. Mr. Darren. Yes, we can talk. We can talk, Mr. Lee, after the live. We can talk. Okay, thank you guys for your time. Thank you so much for your time. It was a huge success. Tomorrow around the same time, but I'm not sure. Tomorrow is a Saturday. Maybe we can start a little bit earlier. Maybe we can start at 8. I'll see. 8 o'clock, I think it'll be fine, so that I'm free to do other stuff on a Saturday. Guys, thank you so much for your time. Today, I did. This week, I am doing very well. Today is it's Friday, 5 days out. We've been going live every day, 10 o'clock, which is very good. But on Saturday, tomorrow, I think I'm planning to do it at 8 o'clock. I'll let you know, 8 Central African time. So maybe we can start 8 o'clock, 2 hours earlier. I'll let you know. Those who are in my group, I'll let you know. Thank you so much. Lydia Murunga is saying, thanks, Choku. Yeah, my friends used to call me Choku. It's fine. Thank you, guys. Enjoy your day. Have a blessed day. It's bye-bye for now.